Imagine you have a Microsoft Excel spreadsheet of raw data from various sources. Your task is to analyze it and generate insights to help AdventureWorks make informed decisions. As you start exploring the dataset, you realize that it's filled with inconsistencies, missing values, and duplicate entries. If you don't address these issues, your analysis will be flawed and potentially lead to costly mistakes. This is where data cleaning and transforming comes into operation. In this video, you'll explore data cleaning and data transformation, discover how they impact the quality of your analysis, and compare the implications of cleaning data at source and in Power BI. Data cleaning is the process of identifying and correcting errors and inconsistencies in datasets. This includes removing duplicate entries, filling in missing values, and fixing incorrect data types. Data transformation involves altering the structure, format, or values of the data to make it more suitable for analysis. This may include aggregating data, converting data types, or normalizing values. Both cleaning and transformation are crucial to ensure the quality and reliability of your analysis. For instance, imagine you've been given a dataset that contains information about customers, products, and sales transactions. Some customer names are written in all caps, while others are in sentence case, making it difficult to group or filter the data by customer name. Cleaning this data would involve standardizing the format of customer names. An example of transforming this data is calculating the total revenue for each customer, which would require aggregating the sales data by customer and multiplying the quantity of products sold by their respective prices. Inconsistent, untidy, or duplicate data entries can have a negative impact on data analysis. These issues can lead to inaccurate or misleading results, which can lead to poor decision making. For example, if duplicate sales transactions are included in the data, the total revenue might appear higher than it actually is. This can result in overestimating the company's performance and making ill-informed decisions about resource allocation. Now, let's discuss the difference between cleaning data at the source and cleaning data in Power BI. Cleaning data at the source involves addressing data quality issues directly within the source system, such as a database or a spreadsheet. This method ensures that any future analysis using this data will have a clean and consistent foundation. However, this approach may not always be possible, especially if you don't have direct access to the source system or if multiple systems are involved. Cleaning data in Power BI involves importing the raw data and applying cleaning and transformation steps within the Power BI environment. This approach addresses data quality issues without modifying the original data source. However, this means that you may need to repeat the cleaning process each time you import the data into Power BI, which is time-consuming and prone to errors. Let's consider examples of data cleaning in Power BI and data cleaning at the source. The source refers to where your data is coming from. For instance, it could come from internal software like enterprise resource planning or ERP systems, accounting software, databases, or Microsoft Excel. Let's start by exploring how to clean data at the source. AdventureWorks stores its sales, customer, and product information in a centralized database. The data quality team decides to implement data validation rules and standardize the formatting of customer names directly in the database. This ensures that any future analysis of this data has a consistent and accurate base. By addressing the data quality issues at the source, AdventureWorks can save time and effort in future analysis, as the data will already be clean and ready for use. Now, let's switch to an example of cleaning data in Power BI rather than at the source. Imagine that AdventureWorks stores its sales and data in multiple systems, and the data quality team does not have direct access to all the source systems. They choose to import the raw data into Power BI and apply cleaning and transformation steps there. While this approach allows them to address data quality issues and generate accurate insights, it also means that they will need to repeat the cleaning process each time they import new data. This is time-consuming, and if the cleaning steps are poorly documented, it may lead to inconsistencies in future analysis. In summary, data cleaning and transforming are essential data analysis processes. They help ensure your insights are accurate and reliable. Data cleaning involves identifying and correcting errors and inconsistencies in datasets. Data transforming involves altering the data structure, format, or values to make it more suitable for analysis. Now that you understand the implications of cleaning data at the source compared to in Power BI, you can choose the most effective approach for your needs. By improving your data cleaning and transformation skills, you'll be better equipped to tackle the challenges of errors and inconsistencies in datasets.